Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix exporting issues on Capcut PC. So for instance, you have your project here and you've added filters, effects, and whatnot, and you go to export it and you can't export it. So go to menu, go to settings, go to performance, and make sure you untick, so disable speed up hardware encoding. You can also disable the hardware and decoding one, but I would just disable the first one. Then you're going to press save. You can restart it if you want to, like your device as well as the Capcut app itself. Then you are just going to export it again, and hopefully that will help. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.